Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started. Our number one choice is Yihua 9263 I60 watt LED soldering iron station kit. The Yihua 9263 features a compact and sturdy design with a digital LED display that clearly shows the working temperature. The temperature control knob allows easy adjustments between 194 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, 90 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a wide range of soldering tasks. The soldering iron itself is lightweight, reducing hand fatigue, and the anti-static design helps prevent damage to sensitive electronic components. The silicone power cord adds flexibility, ensuring comfortable use. This kit comes with several useful accessories, making it a great value for the price. Helping hands, keep components in place for precise work. 6 extra iron tips, versatile for different soldering needs. Lead-free solder roll, environmentally friendly option. Solder sucker, essential for removing excess solder. Stainless steel tweezers, perfect for handling small components. The plug-and-play setup makes it easy for beginners, while advanced users will appreciate the fine control options. The Yihua 9263 is a fantastic soldering station for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. With fast heating, precise temperature control, auto sleep mode, and a full set of accessories, it offers excellent value for money. The only minor downside is that some users may prefer a heavier base for added stability. One of the standout features of the Yihua 9263 is its precise temperature control and fast heating time. Our second best soldering iron for automotive wiring is KYZHXVO soldering iron. This 80-watt soldering iron features a sleek, ergonomic design with a comfortable grip that reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The LCD screen clearly displays the current temperature, making it easy to monitor and adjust settings. The build quality is solid, with a ceramic heating element for durability and a stainless steel tip that maintains heat efficiently. The anti-slip handle provides better control, making it ideal for delicate soldering tasks. The kit includes multiple soldering tips, allowing users to switch between different tip sizes for detailed work. Some versions may also include additional accessories like solder wire, tweezers, and a soldering stand. One of the standout features of this kit is its fast-heating ceramic core, which allows the iron to reach the desired temperature in 15 to 30 seconds. The adjustable temperature range, 180 degrees Celsius to 500 degrees Celsius, or 356 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit, makes it versatile for various soldering projects, including electronics repair, circuit board work, DIY projects, jewelry making. The thermostatic design helps maintain a consistent temperature, reducing the risk of overheating or cold solder joints. With fast heating, precise temperature control, and an ergonomic design, it's a great investment for electronics repair and DIY projects. Third pick in our list is Keplog Soldering Iron Kit. High power, 100 watts, for quick heating. The ceramic heating core enables the iron to reach operating temperature in seconds, reducing wait time and making it efficient for large projects. Adjustable temperature control. The digital display allows for precise temperature adjustments, making it ideal for various soldering applications, from delicate electronics to heavy-duty repairs. Stable and consistent heat output. The thermostatic function ensures that the soldering iron maintains a steady temperature, preventing overheating and ensuring high-quality solder joints. The Keplog soldering iron features a durable and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to hold for extended soldering sessions. The 100-watt power output ensures fast heating and consistent performance, while the adjustable temperature settings, typically 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, allow for precise control. The kit includes a magnifying glass soldering helper, which is a great addition for detailed work on circuit boards and small electronic components. The non-slip handle provides a secure grip, and the heat-resistant design prevents accidental burns. Number 4 on our side is Meekis Digital Soldering Iron Station Kit. The Meekis soldering station features a compact and sturdy design, making it easy to store and use. The digital display provides accurate temperature readings, allowing for precise control. The temperature adjustment knob is smooth and responsive, ensuring you can quickly switch between low and high heat settings depending on your soldering needs. The included auxiliary clamps are a great addition, helping to hold small components in place for more accurate soldering. The stainless steel tweezers are also a handy tool for delicate circuit board work. Fast heating and stable temperature. The ceramic heating element allows the soldering iron to reach the desired temperature quickly, reducing downtime. The adjustable temperature range, typically 200 degrees Celsius to 480 degrees Celsius or 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 896 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures that it can handle various soldering tasks. Digital display and precision control. The clear LCD screen allows users to monitor and adjust temperatures with accuracy, ensuring consistent performance. Number 5. In our top 5 best soldering iron for automotive wiring list is Plusivo Soldering Iron Kit. The Plusivo soldering iron features a lightweight and ergonomic design, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. The temperature control dial, 200 degrees Celsius to 450 degrees Celsius / 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 842 degrees Fahrenheit, allows for precise heat adjustments, making it suitable for different types of soldering tasks. The iron heats up quickly thanks to its ceramic core heating element, and the heat-resistant grip ensures safety during operation. The included stand provides a safe place to rest the soldering iron when not in use, preventing accidental burns or damage to surfaces. This 21-in-1 kit is packed with essential tools, making it perfect for beginners and experienced users. 5 different soldering tips, versatile for detailed and general soldering work. Solder wire and desoldering pump, essential for both soldering and removing excess solder. Soldering stand, keeps the iron secure when not in use. Tweezers and wire cutter, useful for handling components and trimming wires. Heat shrink tubing and insulating tape, helps in protecting and organizing soldered connections. Durable carry case, keeps all components organized and portable.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.